Barbecho Jacqueline S. Basinio Nicole M. Batalia Bill R. Baul Edith D. Bautista Margaret Diane B. Benjola Roseanne R. Benosa Angelica T. Berdida Jotham F. Beria Patricia M. Bondok Gian B. Parents: Miss Rumirna Barbecho, Miss Tachi Basinio, Mr. Jose Batalia, Mr. Ryan J. Baul, Miss Lourdes Butial, Mr. Angelo Bediola, Miss Norma Benosa, Miss Lolita Berdida, Miss Emerenciana Beria, Miss Jeneline Roman. Bondokoy Nika Ella May N. Bongyad Sofia Nicole P. Borromeo Catherine Joy R. Bosito Jonella B. Bulalakaw Sofia Louise D.R. Bolaong Brian Dave M. Bustamante Maria Alexa L. Caballero April Grace D.S. Cabanya Francine Claire S. Cabanos Maria Faith V. Parents: Miss Salvacion Neric, Miss Michelle Bongyad, Miss Joy Borromeo, Miss Amanda Bosito, Miss Jazin Bulalakaw, Miss Irene Bolaong, Mr. Danilo Bustamante, Miss Tita Caballero, Miss Eden Franz Cabanya, and Miss Erlinda Cabano. Cabuyao Cheska A. Cado Maria Ira Alexandra C. Calera Riza May B. Calubad Angel C. Campado Princess Ishi D. Canilio Winston Earl Michael Q. Canlas Dion A. Cantel Diana Jane M. Cantillo Christian Jake C. Cape Aisha Grace S. Parents: Mr. Benson Cabuyao, Miss Joanna Cado, Miss Marian Calera, Miss Laura Calubad, Miss Revi Campado, Miss Marilyn Canillo, Miss Sharon Abarintos, Mr. Aurelio Cantel, Miss Helen Cantillo, Miss Teresita Capet. Miss Caras Diana Jane R. Cardano Kylie Charlene D. Karinan Kulien Jaila. Casabuena Ada Blessy S. Casasis Glyza May L. Castillo Chris Jan V. Saya Katrina Marie R. Sayas Franco S. Celes Franz Regrace C. Selimen Donabel C. Parents, Miss Maria Soledad Caras, Miss Johan Cardano, Miss Hazel Carinan, Miss Teresita Casabuena, Mr. Roderick Casasis, Miss Margie Castillo, Miss Geraldine Saya, Mr. Ubaldo Sayas, Miss Gina Celes, and Mr. Raul Seliman. Cervantes Giselle B. Chavez Francesca Marie S. Shello Sheena Marie M. Flores Maria Nicole E. Compuesto Jenica Marie S. Cordova Olympia May G. Coral Lindsay O. Danabar Erica May B. De Castro Evangeline B. De Leon Christine May P. Parents, Mr. Jaster Cervantes, Mr. Paulo Chavez, Jusan Shello, Miss Ophelia Guianan, Miss Carmelita Compuesto, Miss Emma Cordova, Miss Ashley Corral, Miss Marites Danabar, Miss Tina Sevilla, Miss Blessy De Leon. De Leon Sean Luis S. De Sena AJ C. Del Mundo Belia C. Del Pilar Eliza C. De la Cruz Jess Francis Mark E. De la Cruz Nicole Anne Marie. De la Cruz Princess Nicole B. De la Torre Zandara Queen A. De la Trinidad Annette Joy A. Delfino Zarina O. Parents, Miss Susana De Leon, Mr. Jojo De Sena, Mr. Salvador Del Mundo, Miss Cyril Del Pilar, Miss Esther Estrella, Miss Mary Frances de la Cruz, Miss Marilu de la Cruz, Miss Ryla Abelia, Miss Emma Pedrosa, Miss Alma Delfino. Delio Atasha May T. De Los Santos Abigail A. De Los Santos Grace S. De Los Santos Riza E. De Sacola Hannah C. Dean May Kyla R. Dolor Iris Zaira L. Doloricon Mary France N. Dubas Trisha May A. Dishoco Jade Mariel S. Parents: Miss Jennifer T. Delio, Miss Salvacion de los Santos, Miss Imelda de los Santos, Miss Merly de los Santos, Miss Marian de Sacola, Miss Lovely Dean, Mr. Eliezer Dolor, Mr. Fermin Nale, Miss Sharon Dubas, and Mr. James Dishoco. Ella Kathleen Shaika R. Encabo Aliyah Sandra V. Esperon Bernadette G. Espinosa Maria Bianca Estrella H. Estrada Ea A. Federis James Joachim M. Felices Rhea L. Fernandez Alexa May V. Ferrer Rachel. Flora Nelson Jr. F. Parents: Mr. Edmundo Elia, Mr. Camilo Encabo, Miss Merceline Esperon, Miss Hasmia Estrada, Miss Judith Fideris, Mr. Mario Felices, Mr. Nolly Fernandez, Miss Francia Ferrer, and Mr. Nelson Flora. Flores Christine Jade P. Francisco Julian B. Fulgentes Yola P. Garland Jamaica C. Galan Christian P. Galido Angela May B. Golpe Nelly D. Guarnes Nerissa A. Ibasco Lian Dan A. Ikatlo Lin Leah G. Parents: Miss Mercy Flores, Miss Maria Cristina Francisco, Mr. Ken Arvin Yolanda, Mr. Benjamin Garland, Miss Michelle Galan, Miss Nena Galido, Miss Lilibeth Golpe, Miss Criselda Guarnes, Mr. Brian Ibasco, Miss Adeline Ikatlo, Miss Elvira Jacobe. Jacobe Isabel Nicole P. Hoson John Lloyd R. Juviliano Francine P. Labrador Moriel Antoinette J. C. Lagco Rema Pearl N. Lanuzga Fiona May C. Lanzuela Angela May T. La Portesa Gila M. Latre John Paul M. Lee Oliver Sherilyn D.S. Parents: Miss Elvira Jacobe, Miss Justine Adriano, Miss Zeta Polvorosa, Miss Alma Labrador, Miss Rowan Lagco, Miss Jinky Lanuzga, Miss Jillian Alama, Miss Emma Laporteza, Miss Maria Latre, Miss Mary Jean Lee Oliver. Leonardo Regine May R. Lisitivo Cecil B. Lique Stephanie D. Lonzame Arabelia G. Luzada May Caril T. Mabolo Janre S. Makauyam Christine Janet B. Magsalin Earl Spencer F. Maleniza Princess Donna S. Mansera Charlene Daniel S. Parents: Mr. Santiago Leonardo, Mr. Oscar Lisitivo, Miss Rosalinda Di Macolangan, Miss Chona Lonzame, Miss Filipina Luzada, Miss Mirna Mabolo, Mr. Divino Macauyam, Miss Eden Magsalin, Miss Anna Marie Malanisa, Mr. Ismael Mancera. Mandanas Kenneth Lemuel O. Manlangit Maria Cristina B. Mapili Mervin B. Marpuri Annabel C. Maylad Justin Carmen A. Mendez Ruth Adrian R. Milamina Eunice P. Molina Ezra Sesham Z. Morada Jerus Alkin A. Morano Princess Kendra Micaela Marie C. Parents, Miss Maida Mandanas, Miss Malin Mapili, Miss Maria Fe Marpuri, Mr. Daryl Jane Maylad, Miss Floricel Mendez, Miss Milamina Mary Jane, Mr. Benjamin Zulweta, Miss Marilyn Morada, Mr. George Morano. Morata Cindy S.I. Moreno Lourdes P. Murillo McGerald N. Nepomuceno Erica Joy S. Nepomuceno Kurt J. Nang Samantha Nicole O. Denver R. Netura Kathleen B. Obligacion Nomari D. Olides Mark Aaron N. Parents, Miss Jezebel Morata, Miss Maria Adelisa Moreno, Miss Marie Chris Nate, Mr. Georgie Nepomuceno, Miss Josefina Nepomuceno, Miss Elena Nang, Mr. Orlando Now, Mr. Beryl Netura, Miss Angelina Dakis, Miss Catherine Olediles, Miss Salita Pereira, Miss Catherine Olediles.
May I request the following clinical instructor on stage. Ma'am Annalisa P. Bernales. Ma'am Concepcion Sea. Ma'am Emelita Perfinian. Ma'am Junaline Pitapi. Umbao Sara May C. Parent, Pereira Salita Ador. Onrubia Jonna Marie S. Parent, Onrubia Gregoria S. Paawan Kimberly M. Parent, Paawan Maricar M. Pacardo Francine K. V. Parent, Pacardo Glenda V. Pacheco Sean Patrick. Parent, Pacheco Fe C. Pasio Danica Jane. Parent, Laarni Pasio E. Palayar Ashley Sofia C. Parent, Palayar Allen C. Palayar Shonami C. Parent, Palayar Salome C. Palaypayon Jade Ann B. Parent, Palaypayon Romeo B. Panganiban Alexa O. Parent, Opeñano Jessie. Pante Judeline O. Parent, Pante Randy A. Paro Celine Danica S. Parent, Paro Sharina Dorothy S. Pasco Mary Rosaline L. Parent, Pasco Ryan Alfred L. Peña John Michael B. Parent, Peña Eleanor. Peñoso Justine Alexandra R. Parent, Robueno Ronaldo Eduardo J. Perez Kaylin P. Parent, Perez Natividad P. Permali Mayumi Cassandra P. Parent, Pagal Sonia R. Pilapil Gemma L. Parent, Pilapil Marife. Pineda Hazelen B. Polison Monica Angel. Parent, Polison Myla O Benita. Porteria Angela T. Parent, Jamaica Porteria T. Portin Amiel Edwin B. Parent, Portin Roel V. Quinones Ashley S. Parent, Quinones S. Quinones Fe S. Ramos Angela B. Parent, Ramos Alf. Ramos Elisa D. Parent, Ramos Felisa D. Ramos May Liniel C. Parent, Ramos Nathaniel. Ranyola Marvian Joyce. Ribancos Lara Bea T. Parent, Ribancos Mildred T. Rimitera Marshall L. Parent, Rimitera Rebecca L. Riutan Catherine Joy B. Parent, Riutan Gladys B. Joy D. Parent, Dibordes Sonia. Rios Christian Ivan Romero. Parent, Tripon Christy R. Rita Jerome V. Parent, Rita Lydia V. Rodero Hazel E. Parent, Rodero Edeline E. Rombo Maria Angelica P. Parent, Rombo Christine P. Rosero Pauline May A. Parent, Rosero Christina A. Rosales Ezra Nathaniel F. Rubianes Jarvie F. Parent, Paitan Vilma F. Rubio Clay R. Parent, Triola Lizelle C. Sagales Zaina Colleen B. Parent, Sagales Corazon B. Salon Anissa Eunice S.A. Parent, Salon Justin S.A. Sir Navales, may I request you on stage, please? Saldivar Sheila May D. Parents, Saldivar Marites D. San Buenaventura Stephen Josh P. Parent, Parinya Evangeline R. San Juan Hero P. Parent, San Juan Sensi P. San Juan Jasmine Cleofe B. Parents, San Juan Maria Teresa. San Telices Jericho P. Parents, San Telices Jeneline P. Sargento Emily Jean V. Parents, Sargento Hazel V. Sarmiento Jecanil C. Parents, Sarmiento Jude. Saul Algin F. Parents, Saul Madeline F. Sige Samantha Alice Angeline S. Parents, Sige Alan Poe. Serrado Maricris M. Parents, Serrado Marisa M. Sulbita Roxanne L. Parents, Sulbita Randy B. Sorita Hannah Faye B. Parents, Sorita Fe B. Santa Cruz Lawrence S. Parents, Santa Cruz Eileen S. Santo Domingo Kyla May Y. Parents, Santo Domingo Ariandi. Tesorero Maria Isabella O. Parent, Tesorero Maria Crescenta O. Tianson Rica May H. Parent, Tianson Rita H. Tibar Pauline Nicole P. Parent, Tibar Emerlita P. Torrecampo Almer Nico S. Parent, Torrecampo Rosalie S. Tuprio Marjorie P. Parent, Tuprio Jomar. Valenzuela Raquel C. Parent, Violeta Mel Grace. Valieno Alaisa Gale. Parent, Apa Emily R. Velasco Angeline V. Parent, Velasco Leonisa V. Velasco Lorraine P. Parent, Velasco Lori P.
Sorry for the interruption. May we call the owner of NBD 4388, Rush. Owner of NBD 4388, Rush. 1 hour na daapong nagahalat duman si maestra sa parokyal. Pwede daapong pa hali po akong sakayan. Calling NBD 4388, Rush. And WRD 349. WRD 349 Adventure and Vios EAF 1512 EAF 1512, and we have the Lynx XSU 688 XSU 688. Thank you.
Verosa Leslie Marie R. Parent, Verosa Larcy. Vedanya Gladys C. Parent, Vedanya Margot H. Villa Hart A. Parent, Villa Nelia A. Villamor Pauline D. Parent, Villamor Maria Jessica. Villanueva Bernadette L. Parent, Villanueva Melanie L. Villanueva Jordan R. Parent, Villanueva Josephine Francia R. Villararta Glyza Claire. Parent, Villarta Marilu S. Yuson Adrian H. Parent, Yuson Edward H. Zape Michelle Shane. Parent, Tamura Cecilia. Abanes Alaisa M. Parent, Abanes Jonathan B. Abina RGN. Parent, Abina R. Jane. Ablaneda Rochelle Ann O. Parent, Ablaneda Ronald A. Labragan Andre B. Parent, Abragan Maria Teresa B. Acosta Maria Athena Rain. Parent, Reliora Karen A. Agravante Romela May. Parent, Agravante Imelda Sheila S. Alberto Joseph A. Parent, Alberto Raymond S. Alvarez Christine Joy P. Parent, Pacius Joy C. Amador Chinchin N. Parent, Amador Rexal N. Amar Mark Anthony B. Parent, Amar Anthony R. Anastasio Diane Rose D. Parent, Anastasio Mary Ann D. Año Nuevo Princess May. Parent, Año Nuevo Francia. Apondar Aryan S. Parent, Apondar Nancy S. R.C. Vernil Kate B. Parent, Arce Reggie A. Arines Aldrin G. Parent, Arines Soledad S.J. Arino Liakim S. Parent, Arino Maria Rolly S. Acido Rabin J.C. Parent, Acido Grace. Asuro Jasa Marie A. Parent, Romano Michelle A. Astrologo Mark Emmanuel C. Parent, Astrologo Marivic C. Asog Samira Q. Parent, Asog Mary Jen Q. Aviles Jetrina G. Parent, Aviles Hazel Ann G. Asuela Mary Ann V. Parent, Asuela Maribeth V. Azures Joy J. Parent, Azures Julio. Asurias Giovanni L. Parent, Asurias Vangeline L. Baduria Aina S. Baduria Aina S. Baduria Maria Hazel. Baduria Janine Ashley. Parent, Baduria Leonora B. Bagasina Sharma May G. Parent, Bagasina Beata Maria G. Baldesco Jasmine Micaela A. Parent, Agar Hermi B. Balona JV V. Parent, Marison Balona. Banaag Joel Arubella T. Parent Banaag Arlene T. Banyaga Mary Fran C. Parent Banyaga Virginia C. Banyas Crisel D. Parent Banyas Samson P. Jr. Banyas Marian Claire D. Parent Banyas Krisha Marie D. Bandoho Athena Rose P. Parent Bandoho Diane Rose. Baran Jankeran Edril. Parent Baran Cheryl F. Barsibal Kyla D. Parent Barsibal Lani D. Bara Angel Grace B. Parent Bara Noel M. Bara Samantha A. Parent Moreno Christine Y. Barosa Luisa C. Parent Barosa Joel R. Bilangel Glyza P. Parent Bilangel Clarice Jane P. Belen Crisel M. Parent Belen Royto B. Belen Ayan M. Parent Belen Cindy M. Benito Saenz Andre T. Parent Benito Aldrin. Bertumen Niña Joan V. Parent Bertumen Cynthia M. Bertumen Shakira Alexis S.A. Parent Bertumen Mercy Anna S.A. Bihag Sofia Maria A. Parent Bihag Milby A. Bobis Angelica M. Parent Bobis Salve Manao. Bosiho Elias Jr. M. Parent Bosiho Leonor. Volante Cristal O. Parent Ofemia Lolita. Brusola Kion Jerry P. Parent Brusola Maria Victoria P. Gwen Zandra Bea A. Parent Gwen Tricia Den Angelica. Buenafe Jones Marie P. Parent Buenafe Marie Jean. Buenavente Hill S. Parent Flores Princess S. Bueno Angel Marie M. Parent Bueno Mila M. Burse Princess Ashley DC. Parent Burse Wilma DC. Kababan Zara May O. Parent Kababan Susan. O. Kaknyo Kyla Marie T. Parent, Kaknyo Mirason T. Kalya Jennifer. Parent, Ballesteros Evelyn C. Calleja Aliyah N. Parent, Calleja Marlon O. Kama Maria Laika R. Parent, Kama Melanie R. Campusano Eliza Jane L. Parent, Campusano Clarice. Cañaveral Figel H. Parent, Hernandez Christy E. Cano Eunice Shane A. Parent, Cano Marjon R. Canton Romelina L. Parent, Canton Melita L. Capisonda Aliyah Marie J. Parent, Capisonda Maria Dulce Corazon. Karingal Joshua A. Parent, Argon Maria Rosario E. Catalan Yula Waleshka G. Parent, Garbiles Veronica O. Kailan Angela May. Parent, Erica Mayor. Celio John Mark. Parent, Celio Elena M. Serdon Alexandra May R. Parent, Serdon Alexander A. Clidera Joshua Kim V. Clutario Juliana. Parent, Clutario Ninette. Coldes Christine S. Parent, Coldes Rosita. Colyantes Dominic Rochelle V. Parent, Colyantes Rosella V. Concepcion John Carlo A. Parent, Concepcion Mary Ann A. Contreras Rosabel Ann O. Parent, Contreras Salve O. Correo Rosella. Parent, Correo Delia A. Costrua John Rocky C. Parent, Costrua Joseph. Cuadrante Jill C. Parent, Cuadrante Risa R. Dakuya Princess A. Parent, Dakuya Gina A. Daliva Hannah C. Parent, Daliva Marivic C. Daliva Maria Joanna H. Parent, Fernandez Cristina Micaela Victoria. Dakis Clark John R. Parent, Dakis Alpha R. Darilay Rika May L. Daza Zira O. Parent, Dasa Irma. De la Cruz Francis Ronnie C. Parent, De la Cruz Cherry C. De la Cruz Krisha May V. Parent, De la Cruz Aileen V. De la Cruz Wilson Shin C. Parent, De la Cruz Dolores C. De la Trinidad Nikki D. Parent, De la Trinidad Rochelle D.S. De Leon Ellen Nor B. Parent, De Leon Ophelia B. De Luna Sally Claire D. Parent, De Luna Ignayan D. Del Socorro Aaron Christian B. Parent, Del Socorro Roy B. Del Socorro Maria Filipina Florencia B. Parent, Del Socorro Ramil B. De la Soledad Daisy. Parent, De la Soledad Mercy B. De Los Santos Akisha Micaela. Parent, De Los Santos Edgardo C. De Los Santos Ju Rose L. Parent, De Los Santos Rosa L. De Los Santos Lauren T. Parent, De Los Santos Salome T. Dio John Mark. Parent, Luma Mark Andrew. Dolor Rosane P. Parent, Dolor Dorcas P. Duran Maria Samantha Denise A. Parent, Acosta Edith D.S. Ibuenga Justin Ann L. Parent, Ibuenga Joey P. Ibuesa Natasha Andre. Parent, Eris Godofredo. Stephanie Christine Joyce A. Parent, Stephanie May. Felices Faith Angelo C. Parent, Felices Mario A. Felizardo Justin Maria L. Parent, Felizardo Dave Mark V. Fernandez Andrea Len C. Parent, Fernandez Adelpha C. Fernandez Justin May L. Parent, Fernandez Henry R. Ferran Ella Pauline B. Parent, Ferran Sani R. Festijo Glyza S. Parent, Festijo Violeta S. For Malejo France Angel B. Parent, for Malejo Richelle B. Gabriel Micaela Holiana C. Parent, Cruz Richard D. Gata Ashley May M. Gata Glesiria M. Gavino Jenica S. Parent, Montero Leonie Bascuña. Hinova Princess Ivy B. Hinova Lourdes B. Gianan Maria Jessila T. Parent, Gianan Danilo. Gonzales Felicity Hope B. Parent, Gonzales Annalyn B. Gravoso Daryl E. Parent, Gravoso Roy. Habana Paul Vincent O. Parent, Habana Maria Elena O. Hernandez Lian Faye. Parent, Hernandez Alain B. Herrera Laika M. Parent, Herrera Maria Erica. Ibardalosa Josefa May E. Parent, Ibardalosa Gilbert L. Iglesias Wendy S. Iglesias Rufina S. Imperial Sofia Veronica P. Parent, Imperial Thelma P. Indico Maurice James D. Parent, Indico Maria Cristina D. Hankulan Marie Joy T. Kimson Mary Chelsea S.A. Parent, Kimson Jesusa Cherry S.A. Labapis Yona Sirich. Parent, Labapis Cyril B.
Largado Roland G. Legacion Donita C. Leventino Leo M. Llamas Juliana M. Loberio Casimira L. Lonceras Jaya May T. Lumbang John Derrick L. Makawili Eliza C. Mahayhay Jasmine Cristel S. Malacaste Crystal Apple R. Parents, Borjos Rosalinda L. Legacion Rosalina C. Mr. Levantino Lloyd M. Miss Morillo Syra. Miss Loberio Beverly L. Mr. Lonceras Jose Jr. Miss Jonaan Lumbang. Miss Salier Rose. Mr. Mahayhay Justino L. Miss Malacaste Violeta R. Miss Mancera Nikaila B. Mandia Roseman Joy V. Manila Jasmine T. Manlapas Marian Gabriel A. Marina Guainet Irish E. Mauban Marican B. Medinilla Christine Marie M. Medroso John V. Mehes Jos Rainley. Mehes Jos Rainley L. Mirano Tricia May B. Parents, guardian. Miss Mancera Fe B. Mr. Mandia Albert V. Miss Marivic Manila. Miss Marianita Manlapas. Miss Jan Abrera. Miss Mauban Marivic. Mr. and Miss Medinilla. Miss Medroso Lizelle. Mr. Mehes Ernie. Miss Marites Mirano. Mirano Tricia May B. Moica Maria Glyza May I. Molina Crisel A. Mora Paul Andre A. Moral Cyrene Wayne O. Narito Antea C. Narvades Lauren A. Nicholas Leslie A. Obregon Ana Erica P. Olitokit Ashley. Parents or guardian, Merano Marites B. Miss Melogene Paraino. Miss Christine Molina. Mr. Alejandro Mora. Mr. Moral Jason. Miss Elmira Narito. Miss Emily Narvades. Miss Neri Nicolas. Miss Annalisa Obregon. Miss Aliyah Olitokit. Onyate Arabella A. Orsini Althea Kate L. Oriana Juliet Kim P. Ortega Sunny O. Pado Princess Nicole L. Pado Princess Nicole L. Palaya Princess Maria Victoria B. Palaypayon Edison B. Paligar Krisha Pearl C. Palmes Shane Elizabeth B. Palo Cristel Z. Parents, Miss Onyate Marife, Miss Orsini Jacqueline, Miss Oriana Jorian, Mr. Ortega Efren, Mr. Hill Pado, Miss Ebony Palaya, Miss Palaypayon Amy, Miss Anselmo Elsa, Miss Palmis Lilian, Mr. Jacinto Odi, Panganiban Angela Gloria R, Panganiban Freddy Miguel, Panuga Yeza Joy B, Parol Mariel C, Pastoral Gabriel Francis C, Paular John Mark R, Peñero Eileen Kim, Perez Isabel Dominic C, Pilapil Elijah Franjo F. Pilarta Christine Gwyneth O. Parents, Mr. Ronald Panganiban, Miss Rodela Villasato, Miss Panuga Myla, Miss Allen Parol, Miss Flordeliza Pastoral, Miss Melanie Paular, Miss Ednaline Ibon, Mr. Perez Christian, Miss Pilapil Jacqueline, Miss Marie Chris Pilarta, Portes Richmond M, Portezo Dave Cyrus A, Bren Angel Ann B, Quejano Kyle Lawrence Q, Raffer Justin Roy S, Rapinyan Dency Seneca T, Rapiz Reynaldo J.R.L, Raines Jelia Triza S, Rioyan Ivan J.N, Repuesto Ashi F. Parents, Miss Portes Rosalia, Miss Marilyn Portezo, Mr. Adriano Betito, Mr. Marshall Quejano, Miss Emmeline Raffer, Mr. Joel Banaag, Mr. Reynaldo Rapiz, Miss Melissa Salaver, Mr. Hipolito Riowan, Miss Cristina Repuesto, Resuena Aliza Kim P, Rivero Jillian Marie A, Rivero Nichelle V, Rodriguez Eliza Jade B, Romano Gian Valerie V, Romero Hannah Grace P, Romero Jeliza P, Romero Sarah A, Royales Sofia Zarina L, Rogeria Joanna Rose D. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Resuena, Miss Rivero Jean A, Miss Bernadette Rivero, Miss Ruth Rodriguez, Miss Rowena Verdejo, Miss Lily Romero, Miss Jamiline Romero, Miss Mary Rose Aquino, Miss Henry Lynn Yamson, Miss Geraldine Rogeria, Sabaupan Catherine P, Sabiron Jillian B, Sadama Beverly Louise, Saludar Kyrene V, Saludes Jen Leica C, Sambo Anilu Q, San Juan Cedric Neil T, San Juan Shane O, San Lorenzo Chelsea Eleanor M, San Lorenzo Patricia Grace F. Parents, Mr. Sabaupan Ruben, Mr. Vince Sabiron, Miss Bernadette Pareja, Mr. Manolo Saludar, Miss Jelica Saludes, Miss Marilu Sambo, Mr. San Juan Neal, Miss Geraldine San Juan, Miss Mayores May, Miss San Lorenzo Mildred, Santiago Denise D, Santiago Nicole S, Sarial Maria Faustina T, Solivas Eliza Jade B, Soria Rochelle S, Santo Tomas Ira N, Talagtag Eileen F, Tamayo Eliza Jaira V, Tatel Mary Joy C, Tibar Eliza May P, Proud Parents, Miss Annabel Santiago, Mr. Porforio Santiago Jr., Miss Cheryl Lynn Tordilla, Miss Jedralyn Solivas, Miss Jodeline Soria, Miss Eileen Santo Tomas, Miss Arlene Talagtag, Miss Villarico Eileen, Miss Rosario Tatel, Mr. Jonathan Sibulo. Tolentino Georgina R, Overo Joshua King R, Vale Alexandra B, Valenzuela Joy G, Valle Yvette Marie P, Vargas Kathleen P, Vargas Nirain Kylie T, Vargas Charolyn A, Velante Erich Mariel C, Velasco Christine Joy C. Proud Parents, Miss Maria Gracia Tolentino, Mr. Yuvero Salvador O. Jr., Mr. Marcelo Valle, Mr. Melchor Valenzuela, Miss Karen Palma, Miss Catherine Vargas, Miss Maria Karen Vargas, Miss Nena Vargas, Mr. Irvin Villante, Miss Nacel Arian Velasco, Villanueva Ramona Marie C, Viñas Angel Casimir A, Viri Luella Marie P, Visaya Marjorie A, Visaya Yesha KT, Wadsworth Brandley James O, Yanko Gerald Benedict, Alinarte Marie Antoinette, Cuadro Marjorie, De La Vega Julidel Elaine. Proud Parents, Miss Ruby C. Layagan, Miss Catherine Viñas, Miss Maria Lourdes Viri, Miss Marisa Bisaya, Miss Mary Jane Bisaya, Miss Pearl Lee Wadsworth, Miss Ruby Yanko, Mr. Alinarte, Miss Cuadro, Miss De La Vega. Dioda Giselle, Eduardo Charmaine, Gonzales Lily, Ligaspi Princess, Lopez Syra, Nacion Maria Elaine, Nieves Floribel, Saavedra Stephanie, San Agustin Mariel, San Pablo Shadalay V, Yosores Maria Lorraine R, Mrs. Nacion, Mr. and Mrs. Nieves, Miss Saavedra Franz, Miss Marieta San Agustin, Miss Maria Nerissa San Pablo, Miss Maninang China. Dipatuan Mary Lorraine R, Pontilla Zamata May. Proud parents, Dipatuan Rosnaida, Pontillas Marivic, for the sake of solemnity and respect to the occasion, may we remind the nursing candidates to refrain from standing and parents to take their picture after. The candidates shall remain at their seat. Thank you. Thank you very much, Dean and faculty. Congratulations to our newly capped and PIN nursing students. May a round of applause. Kindly give yourself a round of applause. May this be the beginning of journey filled with growth, excellence, and purpose. So let us all give them our one round of applause. gentlemen, as we pause for this special and symbolic moment, let us turn our attention to the graceful figure before us, Florence Nightingale, the lady with a lamp. With each step she takes, Florence Nightingale brings to life the timeless essence of nursing, compassion, dedication, and unwavering commitment to service. Her presence here is a living tribute to the very foundation of the nursing profession, a profession that has been shaped by her tireless work and vision. As she walked her lamp, illuminates not only the darkness of illness, but also the path of healing, hope, and humanity. In every step, Florence Nightingale reminds us the profound responsibility entrusted to nurses to not only heal the body, but also to nurture the spirit. Her lamp, symbolizing care and vigilance, represents the lights that guide us through the moments of uncertainty and despair. For it is in the darkest of times that a nurse's compassion shines the brightest. Florence Nightingale's legacy transcends time, and her spirit continued to inspire nurses around the world, carrying with it the torch of care, integrity, and professionalism. As she walks before us today, let us reflect on the profound journey that each of our newly capped students is about to embark upon. For in the moment, Florence Nightingale passes on her light to them, an enduring light that will continue to shine in every act of service, in every patient cared for, and in every touched by kindness. To the students, may you carry this light forward with pride and humility, knowing that like Florence Nightingale, you are not just healer of the body, but also beacons of hope and compassion to all of you served. This walk, as symbolic as it is, reminds us the noble calling we share and the incredible responsibility that comes with it. Let us honor Florence Nightingale's legacy, not just in words, but through our action. As you step into the world of nursing, may her spirit guide you, inspire you, and challenge you to always walk with integrity, care, and an open heart. Let us all give her the warmest and most heartfelt welcome for today. We are truly present in the presence of greatness, Miss Florence Nightingale.
All those days chasing down a daydream, all those years living in a blur, all that time never truly seeing things the way they were. Now
all those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even
May we request all the faculty to please stand at the center aisle for the lighting of the lamp.
The world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different now that I see you.
All those days chasing down
May we request all the newly capped and pinned students to please stand up.
all that time, never truly seeing things the way they were. Now
All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been. Now I'm here blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see. Standing here, it's all so clear. I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light. And it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light. And it's like the sky is new. And it's warm and real and bright. And the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different now that I see you.
As we continue this solemn ceremony, we now come to a significant and meaningful tradition in the nursing profession, the recitation of the Midwifery and the Nightingale Pledge. This pledge is not just a declaration of commitment, it is a vow to uphold the principles of service, compassion, and integrity that Florence Nightingale herself exemplified. To lead this recitation, we have with us a shining embodiment of Florence Nightingale's spirit, Miss Angelique May Agua, RMRN, whose declaration and excellence serves as an inspiration to all. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now join as she guides our newly capped and pinned nurses, the Nurses Nightingale and the Midwifery Pledge, a solemn promise to honor their profession and the people they are called to serve.
It's all so clear. I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light. And it's like
For the midwifery students, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Midwives Pledge. I solemnly pledge that I will do my best, seeking God's help and asking for His grace, to keep my body healthy, strong, and pure. The task of a midwife I must carry for sure. To keep my mind always alert and fully awake. To the profession I have chosen, for life I will stick, be trustworthy, refined, polite, and gracious in manner. An inspiration always to those under my care. To serve unselfishly and wisely everywhere, guiding the innocents, easing the sufferers, to make my work filled with sweetness and beauty, where fellowship is found even in adversity. To be loyal to my patients, associates, country, and God, for whom I dearly owe my life and my love, so help me God. For the nursing students, please raise your right hand. The Nightingale's Pledge. I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty, will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. So help me God. Congratulations to all of you po.
Thank you very much, Miss Angelique May Agua, a registered nurse and a registered midwife, for leading our newly capped and pinned in the stirring recitation of the Nightingale Pledge. You may now take your seat. And that moment reminded us all of the unwavering commitment of our future healthcare professional, Carrie, and their hearts. Now, as we continue this evening of celebration and reflection, we are about to witness a performance that beautifully captures the spirit of this exceptional batch, their batch song. So it's more than just a melody, it is an anthem of perseverance, hope, and determination. It tells the story of their journey, the challenges they've overcome, the lessons they've learned, and their steadfast resolve to rise no matter what life brings. With every note and lyric, this song embodies their collective courage to embrace the unknown, their passion for lifelong learning, and their commitment to making a difference in the world. Tonight, let us listen, not just with our ears, but with our hearts, as they share a piece of their story through this song. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to present the students of Batch 2027 as they perform their batch song, Try Everything. Let us all give them our warmest applause.
Hello, hello. Hello. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I can fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I can fail. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Look for you now. You feel your heart tonight. Baby, don't let it down. Sing all the praise. Don't beat yourself up. No need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I can fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I can fail.
Congratulations, Batch 2027.
Thank you very much, store student, for that heartfelt, inspiring rendition of your batch song, Try Everything. So your performance truly reflects your resilience and optimism as you embark on your journey in the healthcare profession. At this time, you are now giving your present flowers to your loved ones, those who have supported, encouraged, and stood by them throughout their journey. This flower symbolizes the love and admiration that you carry in your heart for those who have been your pillars of strength, your guides, and your greatest supporters. To parents, family, mentors, and friends, your unwavering belief in these students have brought them to this incredible moment. As the students give them flowers or token, it may be a reminder of the deep gratitude and affection they hold for you. So let us take this moment to celebrate the bands that you have shaped, their success, and to honor the loved ones. May I kindly ask now our newly capped students to return to your seat at this time. So let us continue to enjoy the rest of this meaningful ceremony as we honor your achievements and the exciting journey that lies ahead. As we near the conclusion of this remarkable event, it is my privilege to introduce someone who will bring this ceremony to a close with words of gratitude and reflection. To deliver the closing remarks, let us welcome Mr. Joffren Basardo, who will share his message on behalf of the organizing team and the College of Health Sciences. Let us give him a warm of applause.
Good evening, everyone who are present here. Our esteemed administrators, nawala, sorry. Wait for a while. Our honored guests, to our esteemed faculty, and to the proud parents, and to the beloved students. Good evening. Madali lang, I lost. Okay. Today has been a momentous occasion, a milestone that marks the beginning of a meaningful journey for these future professionals. The cupping, pinning, and candlelighting ceremony symbolizes not just tradition, but also the heart and soul of the profession you are about to step in. It reminds us of the values of service, commitment, and compassion that guide this path. To our student, as you hold the light of your candles, let it signify more than just a flame. Let it symbolize the passion, dedication, and resilience you will carry with you as you face the challenges of your chosen career. You have taken an important step today, and we, your teachers, mentors, and loved ones, are immensely proud of you. Parents and guardians, your sacrifice and encouragement will forever be the foundation of their success. On behalf of everyone, thank you for believing in them. To the faculty, thank you for molding these young minds, instilling in them the skills and virtues they need to excel. Your efforts go far beyond the classroom and leave a lasting impact on their lives. As we close today's ceremony, may we all continue to support, inspire, and uplift these young individuals. To our dear student, may you embrace the lesson of today with humility and strength, striving not just for success, but also for the betterment of others. Again, congratulations, Batch 2027. You have the light now. Go out and let it shine brightly. Thank you, and you may all walk confidently toward your dreams. Good evening again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sir Joffren Basardo. As this memorable evening draws to a close, let us take a moment to reflect on the profound significance of what we have witnessed today. This ceremony was not just a celebration, it was a testament to the unwavering spirit of our nursing and midwifery students, a journey marked by a hard work, perseverance, and a passion for service. To our dear students, you are no longer just dreamers. Today, you have stepped into a reality shaped by your dedication, courage, and commitment. Your caps symbolize purity and your devotion to compassionate care, while your pin stands as a badge of honor and responsibility, a reminder of the lives you will touch and the heart you will heal. To the proud parents and guardians, your unwavering support has been the anchor that kept them grounded and the wind that propelled them forward. This milestone is as much yours as it is theirs. To the faculty and clinical coordinators, to our dean, your mentorship has ignited the flame of excellence in these students, and your wisdom will guide them as they step into the noble calling of healthcare. And finally, to everyone here tonight, let us carry the theme of this celebration, igniting compassionate, competent healthcare professionals towards global health excellence and innovations in our heart. It is a reminder of the profound responsibility we all share to inspire and support these future professionals as they step into a world that needs their brilliance and compassion. As we conclude, I would like to thank everyone who made this ceremony a success, the organizers, the faculty, the staff, and every person who contributed to this memorable event. It has been my greatest honor and privilege to serve you as your host for this special occasion. This is Dr. Judith Corino, wishing you all wonderful evening filled with pride, joy, and inspiration. May we continue to light the way for the next generation of healthcare professionals. Thank you and have a safe, blessed evening. But before we officially conclude this evening celebration, may I kindly request everyone's attention for a few final announcements. First, for the photo-taking session, we will have one group photo for everyone to commemorate this special occasion. So we kindly ask for your cooperation in making this process smooth and efficient so that we can capture this wonderful moment together. Second, We are pleased to inform you that the food is ready, waiting at the back of the venue. But to our newly capped and pinned students, kindly take note of the following instructions to ensure orderliness during the next part. Only the students, please listen, only the students are allowed to claim the food at the designated food station. Please make sure to present your food stubs to the crew station. So this will help us maintain a smooth and organized flow for everyone. So we ask for your cooperation and understanding so that we can continue to enjoy this special occasion with ease and efficiency. Okay? The auditorium will be open to everyone. However, due to limited space, only those who can be accommodated will be allowed entry. Okay? Once again, congratulations and thank you to everyone who made this ceremony a success. So let's have a photo shoot.